If you want to make a video in fast motion or slow motion, I'll explain it to you in a simple way. Hello and welcome to Clean Film. In Premiere, there are several ways to control the timing of a layer, and we're going to look at some of them. For the first method, select the clip you want to change the speed of. And right-click, then look for the option called Speed.Duration. You'll see that this window opens where you have several options to change the speed. The first thing we can do is adjust the speed percentage. The lower the percentage, the longer the video will last and the slower time will go. The higher the percentage, the shorter the video will be and the faster time will go. We can also directly adjust the duration. For example, if you want the clip to last exactly 2 minutes, you set it there 2 minutes and the video will last as long as you chose. Then we have 3 selectable tabs. The first one says reverse speed. Then what this does is make the clip play backwards. Yeah, man. Backwards. Yeah, man, I get it now. The next tab, Maintain Audio Pitch, will prevent the video from sounding like this when it's in slow motion. Or like this when it's in fast motion, it will keep the original pitch. And the third option, what it does is, if you have any clip attached to the clip you're going to modify, it will adjust it for you. If you make the clip slower and it increases in the timeline, everything that's attached to the clip will shift to the right. The same happens if you reduce the speed. Another way to modify the speed is with the tool. You say it, please, John.
Speed ramping technique.
Alright, speed ramping. With this helpful tool, you can select either the beginning or the end of a video clip and stretch it in order to decrease the playback speed and increase the overall duration. Thank you. Or shorten it to increase the other. What did you throw at me? Do you want a vacation from Amazon Music? Vacation, and it has to be published. The only thing to note about this particular tool is that you do not have all of the same options and features that you had with the other one, but it is definitely faster. And that is it for this video. Yes. If you would like to learn more about video speeds or have any questions, please leave a comment below. Subscribe right over here. Thank you so much, and here you have another video. You will need a card to watch this one gambit. Don't let them know, well,